Learn English with Om Nom.
It's time for a scrubby scrub scrub. Splash around in the tubby tub tub. It's time for a scrubby scrub scrub. Splash around in the tubby tub tub. Quack 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 said my rubber ducky. Round and yellow, cute and chubby. It's time for a scrubby scrub scrub. Splash around in the tubby tub tub. Splash, 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 we cannot stop. Watch out now, all bubbles pop. It's time for a scrubby scrub scrub. Splash around in the tubby tub tub. Let's wash up, lather the soap. Pop the bubbles, enjoy a nice soak. It's time for a scrubby scrub scrub. Splash around in the tubby tub tub. I wash my hair with my shampoo. I scrub it well, it smells real good too. It's time for a scrubby scrub scrub. Splash around in the tubby tub tub. I love my bath, I love my toys. Fun bath song for girls and boys. It's time for a scrubby scrub scrub. Splash around in the tubby tub tub. It's time for a scrubby scrub scrub. Splash around in the tubby tub tub. So splash around in the tubby tub tub. For apple. For ball. C for cat. And D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for guitar. And H for horse. I for igloo. J for jam. K for key. And la for lamb. Phonics are so easy. Phonics are so fun. Let's sing this phonics song. Yes, we all love to learn. Ma for moon. And na for net. O for orange. And p for pet. K for queen. R for rocket. S for sun. And t for tiger. A for umbrella. F for vest. Aren't you having fun? Yes, phonics are the best. Phonics are so easy. Phonics are so fun. Let's sing this phonics song. Yes, we all love to learn. Wah for watermelon. Z for xylophone. Yeah for yogurt. And Z for zebra. Phonics are so easy. Phonics are so fun. Let's sing this phonics song. Yes, we all love to learn. Phonics are so easy. Phonics are so fun. Let's sing this phonics song. Yes, we all love to learn. And welcome to Om Nom's house of shapes. Square, triangle, rectangle, star, circle. As I was walking down the street, down the street, down the street, Mr. Sun I happened to meet. Hi there, hello. Look, Om Nom! Wow! Wonderful! Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Aren't these stars magical? Ooh, it's thundering. Huh? An umbrella? Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Om Nom wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Oh no! Ooh, a boat! Yay! Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. What's that? A bus? Wow! The wheels of the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels of the bus go round and round all day long. What did we learn today? All about shapes. Triangle. And my favorite shape, star. And we learned about the square. Rectangle. And circle. Bye-bye, Om Nom. Astronaut, astronaut, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Postman, postman, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mr. Chef, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Happy farmer, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Magician, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Animal Train with Om Nom. Hi, Om Nom. How are you? What a cool train this is. Ooh. What animal makes this sound? That's a monkey. So cute. What's next? Ooh. Now which animal makes this sound. It's a lion, the king of the jungle. Wow! What's next? Which animal makes this sound? That's right! That's the sound of a hippo. What's next? Ooh! Which animal makes this sound? Any guesses? It's a zebra! Wow! Just one more to go. Which animal makes this sound? Any guesses? That's right, it's a snake. Wonderful! What a cool animal train! Monkey, lion, hippo, zebra, snake. Good job, Om Nom. Bye. The end. Subscribe. Click to watch more.